afternoon from EMPS Delwara. Today we prepared the activity. This activity is the sounds of alphabet like C. A says A, B says B, C says Ka, D says Da. These are the sounds of letter as I know. E says I, S says Va, G says Ga, H says Ha. These are the sounds of letter as I know. I says E, J says Ja, K says Ka, L says La. These are the sounds of letter as I know. M says Ma, N says Ga, O says O, P says Pa. These are the sounds of letter as I know. Q says Ka, R says Ra, S says Sa, T says Ta. These are the sounds of letter as I know. U says A, V says Va, W says Va, X says Z. These are the sounds of letter as I know. Y says Ya, Z says Ja. These are the sounds of letter as I know. These are the sounds of letter as I know. These are the sounds of letter as I know. These are the sounds of letter as I know. These are the sounds of letter as I know. Thank you for watching my video.